Hey guys, real quick video today. Just wanted to cover something that I've seen happen 1,000,001 times in the subject of removing your lawnmower tire. Okay, so rubber cap, pull that off. Do keep up with this and put that back on because it is important. And as you see, these AYP style riders just have a clip. Hold the wheel on, you just take your flathead, pop that sucker off, and there's two washers. Clip, and rubber boot. And the tire just, in theory, slides right off. Some slide easier than others. There we are. Okay, you just heard that tink. Okay, see this little guy right here? He goes right here. Okay, now that guy right there is very important. Do you see this keyway in the wheel right here? Okay, so when you put your wheel on this shaft, that keyway is what locks them together. If you go to put your tire on, and there's a little ramp back here, and she slides out and falls out, and you put that clip back on, your riding lawnmower is not going to go anywhere. Now this is a very silly mistake and a very easy mistake, especially for someone that has never had one of these apart before. But I have fixed a lot of mowers, had customers bring them to me, and I usually would try to catch it before that happened, because usually they brought me the tire first to put a tube in. But I've had a lot of customers that say, man, I got you to put that tube in my tire, put it back on, and now my rider won't go anywhere. That's why. And you don't even have to take your wheel back off if you line that keyway up and get you one of these. These are standard keyways. You can get them at pretty much any hardware store. Even Home Depot might even have them now. But you can just drive it in from the outside, take that clip back off, drive that pin in from the outside, put your clip back on, and you'll be good to go. Alright, so this key has to be in there. If not, this axle will spin and the tire will just sit there. So if you have changed your tube or your tire and now you can't go forward or backwards, that's your problem. Just a little quick tip for today. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you all again soon.